Hello my dear friends, welcome to the Oliver's channel. In this video we are going to solve a really tricky math question together. What do you think is the value of the expression 7 times 2 divided by 2 times 7? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This question looks very easy, but it tricks almost everyone. Let's break it down and solve it together. And the first step to solve this question, most people go for the multiplication between 7 and 2, and then the multiplication between 2 and 7, because they think multiplication has a higher priority than division. So, instead of this expression, they write 14 divided by 14, which gives them the answer 1. And without any hesitation, they immediately say that option A is the correct answer to this question. But that's definitely wrong. Now let me explain step by step how we should solve this expression. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule. In this rule, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We must carry out each operation step by step following the correct order from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see in the image, we have a multiplication sign, then a division sign, and again another multiplication sign in this expression. It's really important to understand that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have the same level of priority. In this case, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move step by step performing multiplication and division in order. So, first we perform the multiplication between 7 and 2, which I have highlighted in yellow. And instead of the original expression, we can write 14 divided by 2 times 7. In the next step, we do the division between 14 and 2, which simplifies the expression to 7 times 7. And finally, the answer becomes 49. Therefore, option C is the correct answer to this question.